sheer volume of people that have been coming through here has been great. The number of vendors has been great. The space here, I think everyone has plenty of room to kind of move around. That's one piece, is that, that name recognition. That maybe I've heard of your company before, but I really wasn't sure what you did. Just having that there is good. And then secondly, the leads that come in, I mean, we've generated some leads from this as well, so that's been great. And also seeing some of our clients that were here. The crowd has been diverse. Diverse in terms of people, but also diverse in terms of the types of businesses that are out here too. I mean, you have everyone from a quality video company like Atlantic Creative all the way to a chocolate maker. Where else do you get that sort of diversity? I didn't even think about, hey, there's a local chocolate maker in downtown Raleigh that maybe I could buy some chocolate as a gift for clients. That's an idea. Things I didn't really think about from having conversations with the vendors out here. We're going to be able to take that back, and it's going to help our business.